Hey, good day, guys. I want to do a review on the trades for the week. This week was a short week because of the Martin Luther King, like the MLK day on Monday. So we really had only 4 trading days. When I look at my calendar, looks like I might be trading only for the next 23rd, 24th, and 30th and 31st. So just one of the maybe 4 days of trading. The next 25th, 27th is no trading day. Got other commitments out here. So this week, I would say it was a decent week, nothing too fancy. But one thing to realize really is you have to trade small, right? If I'm trading a small account of $4,000, I cannot really afford to have a loss of $179, $180, whatever it is. That's about 2% of my account, which is pretty big. Uh, if I actually 5% of the account, right? If I'm able to possibly lose $100, that's 2% of the account. If I have a $100 loss, it's kind of easier for me to get back. So there's something to learn on. So overall, 4 names are traded: ANET, BNTC, Globus, SGY. Let's go through the names quickly out here so you guys will have an understanding of what I'm doing over here. Um, so how much was I out for the week? $295. $295. So keep in mind, I'm only trade part time. I'm not really sitting there and staring at the computer all day. I do have other commitments, and whenever I get a chance, I look at my scanners, which is the Finviz which I use. And if there's an opportunity, I'll go for it. If I miss an opportunity, it is what it is. So I'll look for some quick trades. There might be sometimes I might have more time to trade than the others, but overall, just trading part time, not trading full time. So ANET was one of the names which I traded on Tuesday, right? So Tuesday, this Monday was a holiday. So I played this $92 break. Actually, I was shorting it right here on this red candle. On the hindsight, this is like a third green red candle, which is kind of a high risk candle. But the reason it worked out was the $92 level. If you look on the daily chart, was key level, right? Um, so $92 level over here. Let me just bring this up. Was a key level. So that's one of the reasons why it worked out. The other name I traded on there was GLBS. GLBS I actually traded 2 times. Let me bring this up. 5-minute chart. It's loading and loading and loading. Seems like it's taking some time. So I didn't trade it today, but I did trade it yesterday. So yesterday the break that I saw was push up, flag pattern, boom. That was the trade I did on GLBS. I think there's one more trade which I did, which was on this day. Big up move, sideways consolidation, and boom, this was a trade on there. So made some decent gains on GLBS. Was by far the better trading name for me. BNTC and SGY. BNTC is one of those names where I was looking for a late day move on this name. If you look on the daily chart, I think that you traded this on this day. What day is this? January 17th, which is a Tuesday. So let's see. January 17th. Okay. So here it was the move. First up move, that looked like it was going to roll over, which didn't. It actually went lower a bit and then went sideways, went back up. My intention was for it to play the break, get in before 4 and try to play a break through 4. Didn't really happen. Kind of flushed down. That's one of the reasons why I lost pretty big, because I went in 1,000 shares. I went in at a size which is way bigger than what I usually traded. But if I traded 300 shares, I would have lost about 40 bucks, right? Even if I traded 500 shares, I would have lost probably 70, 80 bucks. So I went a bit too big on a trade I shouldn't have gotten into in the first place. So if I traded small, my numbers would have looked a lot better. So that's one of the key. I mean, if you whatever kind of trading, if you trade small, you have room to move around. But if you trade too big, you might have to take on a lot of heat on there. And SGY was a name I traded today. You can review my trade for today. So I got involved in this name over here. Uh, got involved in the name over here, right? Hoping for this to go through 9, which didn't really happen. Popped up, made some gains on it, then kind of fell over. The key break was through 9s. So overall, as long as I kept my losses low, could have made some decent more gains on it. But so far so good for the week. Up 295. The week 1 was up 360. Then the next week was up 360 as well. So I think overall I'm up over $1,000. Right. Let me just pull up my calculator out here. Let's see. Calculator. There's one trick for you guys to learn how to bring up calculator without actually going through the calculator. Only if I can get this thing to work, that would be pretty amazing. In the meantime, the calculator comes up, guys. If you're watching the video, please subscribe and like the video. Keeps me motivated. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot from the videos. I'm not sure how many people are out there who actually go through the daily trading journey every day with full transparency like I do. This is where the real stuff is. It's not a fake account, it's a real account. So give me a like and subscribe to the video, right? And give me a boost. So I made 360 the week 1, then I made 360 the week 2, and I made 295 this week, 1015, and my account size is $4,000. Boom, 25% on the account, and the month is not over yet. Only 12 trading days. That's pretty good. So once again, guys, like my video, subscribe to it. Any questions, hit me up. And thank you for watching. Adios.